Mr. Neal?
How's it going? Good to see you.
In recent times, you've been getting a lot of allegations of being short. How would you like to respond to these?
Listen, shut the fuck up, alright? I'm not short, alright? It's just the fucking angle of the camera. Alright, that fucker's camera, Charles' camera, it's against me, bro. I swear, I'm at least 6 foot, alright? I've had sex at least once, alright?
So, your adversary, Mr. Ultimate Neal.
You to me, there's no L. Because he's an idiot.
How's your relationship with Charles going?
Firstly, right? People keep talking it up, right? Oh, he's got 1,500 subs. Fucking cares.
Great ass. I mean, honestly, voluptuous to say the least, but I think he kind of gets blinded by the fact that I have 1,500 subs.
Right? I think what? He's stupid, dumb, an idiot. I hate him.
And hey, I mean, if I was sitting around with like, I don't know, he's got like 140 subs. If I was sitting around at 140 and my buddy had 1,500, I'd be pretty jealous. So I can understand his frustration.
I beat his ass last episode, alright? If I see him around here.
Definitely think he's something of a wiener. I don't know, he's just like kind of a bitch.
And how long ago was that last episode? How do you feel about these kissing allegations?
That's not me.
So, as you can see here, this picture of you and Charles Mednick kissing is going viral. Damn! How do you...
Clearly, that's you.
That's not me.
I'm hungry. Can I have a snack? Thanks.
No, that's someone else. He must have been borrowing my kit at the time. I didn't even go to that event.
You and Goldilocks are kissing in this picture. Why?
Oh, that's because Goldilocks is a queer man. That's not me, I promise.
So what's going on with your schedule?
What do you mean?
When are you uploading? Why is it taking you so long?
Fuck you.
Can we expect any kind of schedule in the future?
The fuck's the schedule?
Fuck you too. When is your next episode?
I'm sorry, this is your fucking interview, and you're talking to me like that? That's completely unprofessional.
You know I can jump over this chair? Let's even jump. I'll jump over this chair. Check this out.
Well, you're being unreasonable.
Tone it down, sir.
Huh?
Tone it down.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Tone it down.
I can't hear you.
Mr. Neal, please calm down. Please calm
See
down.
that shit?
Calm down. This is a
Do I need
studio,
to call
sir.
security? Oh my
This
god.
is a studio.
We've got,
Tone it the fuck down!
I've got 1,500 subs. Where's your fucking YouTube channel?
Don't make me get security.
Go ahead, get security. See if I fucking... I'm not saying I did kiss him, but like, he would be really good at kissing. Not that like, I would know that, because I wouldn't, because I've never kissed him, because that's gay, and that's more his speed.
He shoved his tongue down my throat.
But like, tongue action, probably out of this world.
He likes to deny it, right? But like, listen.
Is that still rolling? Does my helmet look good though? Because I'm trying a new helmet cover and I think.
The fuck's this? What? Hey, why is he here?
What the fuck is
What? This is my interview. Why is he here? Why is he here?
He's an irrational person who gets emotional easily, and you can't really control his anger. But overall, I think he's a great dude. He's just a little rough around the edges. Not much else to really be said about him. Definitely.
Check this out.
It's recording.
You're at 39%, by the way.
What time is it? Oh, almost 12.
Your mom.
I'm recording, and it's gonna turn off.
What are you doing?
Good copy. Do you
What
want
are you just trying to do? Are you trying to grab me?
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh, wait. Hey Charles, you good? Is it like?
I got a battery on me.
Oh, hit?
I stayed prepared. Got it on.
Oh yeah? How do you put on these nuts? That is your gun, okay.
Alright, check this out. I'm gonna smack this.
Well, this. I'll be back, motherfucker. Yeah! Oh, wait, do that again, do that again.
Hey, players don't talk. You got one.
See that? I just owned it.
Have you ever considered maybe the fact that like you're just a silly guy? So I didn't slide cancel and I'm still here and less out of breath. I'm just pointing out the facts here, you know.
Stop standing on higher ground than me, dude. You're making me look short.
Stop it! Stop!
I will destroy you!
Ref, he's making me look. Ow, hit! Fuck you!
Look at the little guy. Watch your language.
Okay.
Yippee! Yippee!
Hold on! Hold on! I got both of you.
What? Okay. Can we save that for the bedroom?
Look at this! Ooh, what's this?
What if you drop it in the mud?
That ain't gonna happen.
I'm back in black, baby. What you looking at me for? Oh my god.
I got a double kill, Mark. Means I'm good at the game.
Hey!
Hey, Mark, Elf.
Shut up! You goofy ass, looking idiot.
I'm inside my safe house. Safe house. I'm gonna fuck your ass.
Jacob!
He said he's gonna fuck my ass.
I haven't even died. It's finally happening. I haven't even died once, so I'm better than both of you guys. What's your disability?
Go get him, Rich. You got this. That was mean. You see that? What you said to me? You just said F you.
Did you just say F you to my friend there? I wonder where that plane's going.
Why is he looking at me?
You're so cute.
Why is he? No. Yeah,
What's he saying about me?
I mean, he is cute, but like,
What's he saying about
he
me?
can't just stay. Don't worry about it. Go play Airsoft or something. How about you edit a video, huh?
Unarmed.
Dude,
And I still didn't die. Zero deaths.
I shot you.
I gonna do?
You just have to be funny without me.
Yeah.
Dude, being this funny all the time takes a lot out of you. You know what I'm saying?